Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Spoken language. Parker owns a food truck that sells tacos and burritos. He sells each taco for $4.50 and each burrito for $6.75. Yesterday, Parker made a total of 85% in revenue from all burrito and taco sales, and there were twice as many burritos sold as there were tacos sold. Write a system of equations that could be used to determine the number of tacos sold and the number of burritos sold. Define the variables that you use to write the system. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.